Golden skies and fields of green, land of dreams and hopes unseen. Children laughing, voices ring, sing the song of freedom, sing. Mountains high and rivers flow, in our hearts the love will grow. Unity in every beat, feel the rhythm, feel the heat. India, oh India, land of promise and of light. India, oh India, shine so bright with all your might. Oh, 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 oh. Child and every soul, together we achieve our goal. Orange, white and green we fly, colors bright against the sky. Freedom comes with every dawn, celebrate till night is gone. India, India, oh India, land of promise and of light. India, oh India, land of promise and of light. India, oh India, land of promise and of light. India, oh India, shine so bright with all your might. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, among the day, quick flick by Vishna. We feel proud to be Indian ko. Aduga, ikay kung naman tayo rin eh. That's very profound message. It kind of evoke a sense of patriotism. Ay tari ko.
India, oh India, shine so bright with all your might.
Nation first always. United we stand, divided we fall. Our nation, our legacy, bold spirit, bright future.
In liberty we trust. Brave heart, strong nation.
Freedom is our birthright.
ये घायल हो रही थी, हर आत्मा मृत्यु के घोर से कुछ घड़ी हुई। मैं लक्ष्मीबाई प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ कि जब तक मेरे रक्त का एक भी बूंद मेरे शरीर में बाकी है, मैं यहाँ किला अंग्रेजी फोर्स के हाथों में नहीं रखूंगी।
ये सम्मान का है, मान रखना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
Good morning everyone, my name is Maranthan Parinita and I'm a student in class 9 at Igotamsana Girls Higher Secondary School. Today I'm standing here to speak a few words about the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, whose full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He is one of the greatest leaders in Indian history. He led our country to freedom from British rule through non-violence, which we call ahimsa. What makes Gandhiji truly special is that he never used weapons or violence. He believed in truth, peace, and simple living. Some of the movements led by him were the Dandi March, Non-Cooperation Movement, and Quit India Movement. Let us all try to follow the path shown by Gandhiji, to speak the truth, live simply, and always choose peace over violence. Thank you. I will tell the story of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a freedom fighter and the first Prime Minister of India. He became the first Prime Minister of India. Every year, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. He did on 27 May 1964. Thank you.
Knowledge ko amani ka hamge koi awareness kya curriculum lebra hai ko so as to inculcate a sense of patriotism along with your studies ko. Where is Mount Manipur located? Mount Manipur ikoi tere khabar de aur bane khang de ko thangalo ko price lebne Mount Manipur, which state or union territory in India? Khang rabo Shall I pass? It is in Andaman Nicobar Island. Mount Manipur je. Mount Hariyati ki Mount Manipur un thok rabne ba. Yare.
There were in the initial few days, lot of CAPF people were coming from other parts of the country, which were the transport aircraft that were utilized. You could see some aircraft hovering at night. You heard lot of which was that? Mighty giants which were used. Which were those mighty giants? Anyone?
Cargo.
Yes, so there is a name to that cargo flight. Yes, anyone? Its name represents a mythological character, the Greek god of might. It is also equivalent to a cycle brand in
Hercules.
India. Yes, someone said it. So yes. Hercules 130 CJ. That's the name of that big giant bird. We call it the mighty jet. Alright. So it has got the capacity to in itself transport even a tank. It can transport 300 plus men. It can transport cargo, as Sir rightly said, and it can also transport vehicles in it. It is as one word. Come on, stand up. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. And where is it located?
होता है जो फौज होती है, फौज कहती है कि वी वांट टू टेस्ट योर पर्सनालिटी। क्या टेस्ट करेंगे आपका? है थी पागल लोग हैं। So they will test you for your personality, how good you speak, how confident you are, how smart you talk with your friend, how you work in group.
इसकी लाखों ग्राम पंचायतों में विशेष शिलालेख भी स्थापित किए जाएंगे। मेरी माटी मेरा देश अभियान में हम इन पंच प्राणों को पूरा करने की शपथ भी लेंगे। देश भर में अमृत कलश यात्रा भी निकाली जाएगी। ये यात्रा अपने साथ देश के अलग अलग हिस्सों से पौधे लेकर भी आएगी। 7500 कलश में आई माटी और पौधों से मिलाकर फिर नेशनल वॉर मेमोरियल के समीप अमृत वाटिका का निर्माण किया जाएगा।
जो लौट के आए नहीं वो लौट के भी आते हैं।
दोहराई उनकी यादें हैं, दोहराई उनकी बातें हैं।
जट्टी में जन्म मरण दाही मिट्टी में
हो न पाए का मानना कम हो न पाए।
जिस मिट्टी में जन्म मरण हो उस मिट्टी का तिलक लगाए। उन्हीं वीरों के है ये हाथों की चिट्ठी, इसको संभाले रखना तू मेरे देश की मिट्टी। मिट्टी में है लम्हे जड़े हीरों से दमकते, इसमें उगाना सपना तू मेरे देश की मिट्टी। कभी सरहद पे सिर्फ ना होती है, ये भी है सेवा की ही है। हम तुम सभी हम सबको संग अब डटना है।
किसी और पे मुश्किल पड़े पीछे नहीं अब हटना है।
सरहद पर जो गश्त लगाए उनकी सेवा व्यर्थ न